Hi, I'm Jana. You make with Simple Stories, and we're here to take a look at the Hey Crafty Girl collection at Creativation in Phoenix, Arizona. This gorgeous collection has lots of fun, bright colors and features all of our favorite crafts. You can see on the combo sticker sheet, we've got our cute girls that love to take pictures, one that loves to do cross-stitching, one is reading, there we have a painter, and of course all of our fun crafting tools. We love to create, and we love to create in several different ways. The pattern papers in this collection are just so happy and bright. I love this one that looks like it's a storage unit with all of your fun supplies, and the other side has this fun circular pattern and those happy colors. This paper is like a ledger pattern with the floral accents in the corner. You can see the other side has these fun blocks and all the fun colors of the collection. Check out this circle pattern. Isn't that fun? The other side has this wide rainbow stripe. This paper has all kinds of letter boards with really fun sayings for crafters, like maker's gonna make, I didn't choose the craft life, the craft life chose me. This would be fun to use as is, or you could cut it apart and use it as accents. The back side of the paper has this really fun yellow floral. Here's another happy floral with this pattern, and on the back side of this is this beautiful aqua newsprint pattern. I love the quilted hearts on this paper, and you can see on the back it looks almost like a cutting mat in the pink tone-on-tone pattern. We'll take a look at the element papers. These are the 4x6 cards that are on this collection. Really cute girl taking pictures. You can see a crafter right here, the typewriter, and the other side is a great neutral pattern that you can use for backgrounds or die cutting. The 4x4 cards are so adorable. We have the camera, create, the letter board, more crafty girls, and then this beautiful floral on a wood grain background. These 3x4 cards will be a new favorite of yours, and just look at this cute floral with the little speckles all in between, little daisies. We have the 2x2 elements, fun to cut apart and use on several projects as accents, and then this little miniature rainbow stripe. This paper features all of your crafting tools, and then another great neutral pattern paper that you can use as a background or die cutting in this beautiful green color. Finally, our last sheet of paper is this floral on a teal background, and then you have this really pretty coral tile pattern, almost like a bunch of little daisies or flowers lined up next to each other. We have lots of fun embellishments for this collection. You can see we have the 4x6 stamps with coordinating dies to help you cut out those shapes. Take a look at our sticker book. This would be so much fun to add to your planners or your journals. Maybe you're a bullet journaler, or maybe you like to do pocket pages and you just like everything to be nice and flat and low profile. We have two sets of bits and pieces. This is the journal bits and pieces that have lots of places to add details to your project, names and dates and journaling, lots of fun phrases. Then we have the regular bits and pieces. Again, you see the cute crafty girls and all of the fun crafting tools. Along with this collection, you can buy it in a collection kit, but we also have coordinating basic papers. You can see all those fun tonal dots that you can add and all the cute colors of the collection. And then if you like to add dimension, don't forget to check out the chipboard stickers. I love the pom-pom banner, the crafty girls rock, because yes, we do, and the fun tools. So be sure to create something fun with the Hey Crafty Girl collection.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.